Hello, GE family. Jess here with the ever-curious Cliff. Ready for another deep dive? Today, we're going to discuss the ins and outs of your new refrigerator. While the model behind me might look different than yours, the way you use them will be similar or the same. Hold on to your snacks. Even if you're bursting with excitement like Cliff when he sees a treat, give your fridge some time to chill. Wait about 24 hours to fill it up to make sure it's at the desired temperature. The recommended setting for the fresh food section is 37 degrees Fahrenheit, and for the freezer, it's 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature setting impacts both performance and the fridge's ability to make ice. Shelving is the next important topic. Depending on your favorite food, snacks, and beverages shapes and sizes, you might want to rearrange shelves and door bins. It's simple. Just lift and tilt from the front and lift the back of the shelf up to remove it. On certain models, a quick space shelf can slide back to accommodate taller items. All right, let's get to the fun part, where to stash your munchies. Some models feature humidity control bins, perfect for leafy greens that prefer humid environments, while delicate fruits like berries enjoy a drier setting. Our French door models even have temperature control drawers to tailor the ideal temperature for beverages, deli meats, and more. If your model has a water dispenser, press the cup or water bottle against the dispenser paddle to get cold, filtered water. You can also lock it to prevent unintended spills. Looking at you, Cliff. Internal dispensers work the same way, just inside the fridge. Most models with water dispensers also have water filter status indicators, reminding you when to change your filter. Speaking of filters, here's how to remove it. Gently pull it down, rotate it downwards, and slowly turn it counterclockwise about a quarter turn. Next up, the ice maker. Depending on your model, the ice maker could be in the freezer or on the fresh food door, like in some French door models. Also, don't be alarmed by the noises your fridge might make. These sounds confirm your refrigerator is working hard to keep your groceries cold. Embrace the techie life with the Smart HQ app? Kudos! Here are a few ways to make life and snacking easier. You can get notifications if refrigerator doors are open, and you can activate the Turbo Cool function, which quickly cools the fridge after loading in groceries. Now that is a useful trick, Cliff. Interested in features like our hands-free autofill and customizable handles and temperature options? Check out our Profile and Cafe brands. That's all for today. Cliff and I hope you found this guide useful in understanding how to use your new refrigerator. As always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll do our best to assist you.